Best electric kettle. Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Screen Live YouTube channel. This video will look at the premium device, Best Electric Kettle. Electric cookware has become more or less an essential part of every modern kitchen. A lot of Indian households have started moving away from the usual LPG-based cooking methods to modern, electricity-based alternatives. While you can boil water even on an induction cooktop, electric kettles offer far more efficiency, especially in terms of time. They are also easier to carry around, making them an ideal choice for those who like to travel a lot. So if you are in the market for one, we have compiled a list of some of the best electric kettles available in India. Butterfly EKN 1.5-liter water kettle. This butterfly electric kettle comes with a 1500-watt motor and has a capacity of 1.5 liter. It comes with a striking design thanks to the reflective stainless steel body. This should help it stand out from the rest of the appliances in your kitchen. In terms of features, it comes with a 360-degree swiveling base, allowing you to plug in the kettle from any direction. It supports features like auto power cutoff and dry boiling protection. Its extra wide opening and heat-resistant handle allow you to easily pour hot water. This butterfly electric kettle's sleek design, powerful motor and features make it a great alternative in this price segment. Havells Aqua Plus Black 1500 watts kettle. This Havells electric kettle works great for boiling tea, coffee, milk, or just water. The kettle's simple and elegant design also makes it a great addition to your kitchen or dining table. It has a capacity of 1.2 liter and comes with a stainless steel interior to ensure safe boiling and long life. Its body helps save energy while remaining cold to touch, so you don't scald your hands while using it. This Havells electric kettle is a great-looking electric kettle that comes with important features like auto shut-off function for safe usage. Inalsa electric kettle ABSA 1500 watts. This Inalsa electric kettle features a powerful 1500-watt motor and a simple design. It is capable of boiling water, has a large 1.5-liter capacity that should be adequate to make several cups of tea or coffee. It is made of stainless steel and comes with a concealed heating element to ensure user safety. It also helps prevent calcification, thereby making it long-lasting. This Inalsa electric kettle is a great option if you're looking for a utilitarian and powerful kettle for your kitchen. Thanks for watching this video.